Good morning. Can you all believe that it's almost Christmas? Like, it's November. I think we're almost to Thanksgiving, like probably 2 weeks away, which means, I don't know if you can see from up here, but my fall decorations are going to be coming down and we have to get prepared for Christmas. So I do have some stuff that I'm going to be incorporating in my home, but you know, I also want to make an excuse for myself to go to at home and look at some things that could kind of add to what I already have, but then also find some outdoor stuff so then I could also decorate outside as well. So it's early right now. We're gonna see what items I can pick up from there and then work on getting my home decorated for Christmas. So let's go do that. It's almost like they know that I'm about to go to the store. So then what they like to do is block the door so I don't leave. So now they're like really upset because I'm about to go. Oh, see? Hi, Kronk. He's like, don't leave. But I gotta go right now.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling.
I'm about to do the haul for you guys. I do need to clean up or move some things around so I have enough space in here to do the haul. So real life moment, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Honestly, y'all, sometimes life just gets the best of us, and when you're working and just things happen, you don't always remember certain spaces or remember to keep up with certain spaces. And I'm doing a lot of projects, and the basement room just kind of becomes a dumping ground sometimes. You know, we're all human and we have messes, and I wanted to show you guys the real me and show you that it's not always perfect on this side. Sometimes when I'm in a space and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is really bad, this is messy, and I have to get it together, I'm not going to deep clean it per se, but I really want to consolidate a lot of the stuff that's in here. I'm hoping that today I can also work on clearing up some space in that storage closet and then making a little bit of room in there for a lot of my items, because it's bad in here, y'all. It's bad. So we need to get it together. All right, let's get going.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
I organized my basement room. This room is going to get a makeover pretty soon. We're going to plan to do that in December or January, more than likely January. All those boxes are gone. There's room in here to walk around. I can walk around. When before you would walk in here and you could not walk in here. So, and then also my storage closet. I have all my tools up there. I have all my paint samples, paint supplies. It's finally being utilized as a storage closet. So I'm really happy about that. I have my spare wood, all my hobby boards, and extra stuff from projects that I, could make use of, but I just wanted everything to be organized for once in my life. And I am absolutely loving it. Everything has a place, and eventually this will be another project as well. I'm going to take everything out, make this like a little storage closet for all things power tools, paint, storing like machines like vacuums and everything like that. So that will be a project in 2023. A lot of the items that I got were very Christmassy. First thing that I wanted to kind of touch on are the throw pillow covers that I got from IKEA. They were not expensive at all, and I know that there were some like the Girly and the Sanella. Those both were on sale. So I love those pillow covers. I love the Girly pillow covers, and then the other pillow covers that I got were awesome as well. I got a throw pillow at home. It had said the most wonderful time of the year. I thought that was amazing for Christmas, and I needed a throw pillow for the couch. I was really trying to find something that had that wow factor, like that pumpkin pillow that I had for fall, but I could not find anything. And I think that this was like the wow factor pillow that I had time to look for. Maybe it's at like another at-home location, but that's the best I can do for Christmas. To make up for that, I got this plushy garden gnome that I found from IKEA for about $7. It's absolutely cute, so I think it will tie the couch together and really bring that festive vibe that I'm looking for. I also got some dried floral arrangements, and that's something that I really feel like I could dress up on the dining room table. I thought it was very neutral. It was really nice. One thing that I'm really going for in my space is capturing Christmas. So Christmas typically has like a lot of red colors, red, white, snow, lots of hunter greens, olive greens, and so many other colors. And I have touches of red, but not overloading on red, if that makes sense. So Christmas is not complete without a garland. You need a garland on your door to just tie in that outdoor look. And I got me a garland for $25 at home. I think it's beautiful. It has that fake snow look to it. It has those, I don't know if you guys can see, but the cherries have like a fake frozen look to it. So the garland looks like it's part of like a winter wonderland. And I thought that was so cute. I had to pick it up. But the one thing that I was really looking forward to when I went into that store and I saw immediately was Black Santa. I absolutely thought it was so cute. When I saw it, I cracked up. All the Santa figurines were so chunky, and I thought it was the most hilarious thing. He's so cute. I love Black Santa, so definitely had to pick that up for winter. We also got an outdoor mat that says Santa stops here. It was $13, so $12.99. It's just, it gives you a vibe that this is a Christmas home, but not doing too much and still kind of meshing well with the rest of the decor in the home. We got another garden gnome, but this garden gnome is kind of like sitting, and I got that from IKEA. By now you should know that I have 2 cats, and other cat owners or even pet owners will know that it's kind of hard sometimes to have a Christmas tree and have a pet at the same time. because they will knock it down, break it, chew on the cords, and I still wanted a sense of Christmas in my home. And unfortunately, we might not be able to put the tree up in the living room, but we might put it up in our bedroom. We'll kind of see what we decide there. But I still wanted a sense of having a tree in the area, so I got two, I believe they're about 18-inch mini trees from IKEA with matching pot holders that were red. I wanted white ones, but the white ones wouldn't fit the plant, so we got red ones, and those are going to sit on the top of the bookshelf, so Tweedledee and Tweedledoo will not be able to knock down any Christmas trees this holiday. I also got a light up Christmas tree that you plug in. It's a mini light up Christmas tree. I'm going to be putting that near my coffee area. And I also got some matching holiday Christmas mugs, so that's going to go in that coffee area, bar area. The reason why I'm putting that tree there is because there's a plug there, so it would be easy to plug it up or take it out or whatever. I also just kind of got some other small figurines from IKEA. There were these mini Christmas trees that were about $2 each, so I got some for our lantern that we have outside, so it's going to be sitting outside, and then I got another pair for the bookcase so I can decorate the bookcase there. And then I got some frosted acorns. So the trees were from IKEA. I will link everything that you see in this video in the description box so you all can go add these pieces to your home. Thank you all for tuning into this week's video. I had a lot of fun doing a lot of shopping to start my decorating for the Christmas season, and I'm so happy with everything that I've gotten so far. I will be getting some more stuff in some follow-up videos. I'm going to make this a series. Be sure that you guys are liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, and turning on those notifications to be alerted when that new video pops up for you guys to watch. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.